Welcome to the channel. This is going to be a reading for sign of Libra. Let's take from now in the next few days. So what's really coming forward in your life? What's really happening? Right now with Seven of Pentacles, there might be a little stagnancy that's going on in your soulmate connections, in your overall life. There's this waiting phase that's happening. Okay. So right now with Knight of Swords, I believe on some which level you guys are a little restless. Okay, you want to move towards something. Give me one more card. What's really happening in Libra's life right now? One card for what's really happening in Libra's life. The reason why I wasn't doing tarot is because I was well. I also had many personal readings to deal with, so I was completing that. With Three of Pentacles, some of you guys are just working on your finances, like manifesting, working really hard. Okay, many of you guys, if the past thing did not work, are wanting to manifest new things in life. I don't see you completely, like giving up on your life or in a very patty situation. No, I see you being okay, being fine, but majorly wanting to work on your finances, working on partnerships, be it soulmate, be it business, be it anything, but working, wanting to move forward, wanting to manifest better things in life. Okay, Spirit, give one more card for what's happening in Libra's life right now. What's really happening in Libra's life right now? One card for what's really happening in Libra's life right now. Many of you guys might be walking away from someone. Okay, you guys are finally deciding of walking away or moving on from someone. Okay, if it's not a Libra, then some of you, your partners might have walked away. Okay, someone who was toxic and someone who was not very sure about you. We have the Chariot card. The Chariot card is something where, this person was giving in but not giving in much. Okay, so it could also be that this person was attracted to you but not was very much in love with you. You'd know better. Okay, it was more about sex than about emotions. Okay, so yes, so that sort of connections, those sort of connections do not last, and this should not last because no use, man. I mean, someone who's just there for with you for sex and money, that shit is not real. Okay, so yeah, with Ten of Cups right now, you guys are very much wanting to stay focused on long-term happiness, be it in terms of relationship, be it in terms of your business, be it in terms of your career, be it in terms of your family life. Okay, with Six of Pentacles right now, it's totally about balance, it's totally about healing, it's totally about being at an equal pace with your person, or on the same page as your person. With the Hierophant card, some of you might be enrolling yourself into new courses, into trainings, into stuff which is going to help you get better at your job. Okay, some of you could be possibly enrolling into higher education. Okay, with Nine of Pentacles right now, your total focus is going to be on getting better from what you were a few months back or even a year back. Okay, Nine of Pentacles is your overall energy, so your total focus is going to be on yourself. Do not get me wrong if some people start calling you selfish, because that's what you're going to be, and it's completely normal to be selfish sometimes. Okay, you need to stay focused on yourself. Libra is a very giving soul, a very giving sign, so they give and get drained. Like me, I do a lot of free readings for people who do not deserve it and then feel drained. So yeah, so right now with Five of Pentacles, some of you might be having some financial issues, okay, that you have to deal with. One more card. What's really happening in Libra's life? What's really happening in Libra's life? Being a Libra, you always like to do the right thing, and sometimes people approach you for help, like they approach me in a very sugarcoating manner, very sweet manner, and you're trying to think whether you should help or not. But mostly you end up helping such people, and you should think twice. Sometimes I don't think twice, like before helping people, and some of them do not deserve it. Okay, so think twice before investing your energy into someone. Sometimes people are just toxic and fake. Okay, and you do not want to be a part of that. Okay, I have learned so many lessons being part of YouTube and Instagram. People come to you in a very sweet manner, complimenting you, saying this and that, and as soon as they get their shit done, they're off. And you're wondering if you even knew this person, the real them. Okay, so right now with Page of Swords, someone might be stalking you. Okay, for some of you, your person sees that you're very focused on yourself now, and this is bothering them. Okay, this is kind of bothering them, like they feel like you're kind of not even bothered or not even concerned about them anymore. Okay, with Four of Pentacles, they look at you as someone who's closed off to them, or someone who's not really being very approachable now. Okay, with King of Pentacles, they rather see you as someone who's completely self-focused now. You need to be that, man. Come on. Libra has always been a giving sign, and sometimes you need to do that, it keeps the balance in life. Okay, so yeah, with Death card, it's all about transformation. It's all about changing yourself for the better. Okay, with Ten of Pentacles, moving forward towards stability. That's going to be your main focus. Okay, healing, bringing balance, and moving towards better times in life. Okay, with Seven of Cups, some of you might be having more than one options. Okay, with King of Swords, you're wanting to think logically or practically about it. You will take your time, however, but some of you definitely have options. Okay, it's good to have options, to be honest. You can choose. With Strength card, I see you resisting right now. You guys are holding back. You guys are not being very approachable, or neither are you approaching people. Okay, you are at your own place. You are doing your own thing, and you're just so focused on yourself right now. Okay, with the Moon card, your person thinks that you are hiding things from them, like you are keeping secrets from them. Okay, this was your energy. So let's start your tarot now. All that my dear Libras need to know about their soulmate connection and where this is possibly moving forward. Remember, this is a general reading and may or may not resonate with you. If it does, hit the like button. If it does not, watch some other reading. Okay, with Nine of Cups, I see happiness coming in your life. I see your wishes being fulfilled for the next few days. It's not going to happen within the next 3 days, but it will take time. But definitely, you're moving in that in that direction possibly. Okay. So one card for what's the overall energy going to be like between Libra and their soulmate. What's overall energy going to be like between Libra and their soulmate? One card for what's the overall energy going to be like between Libra and their soulmate. Right now with Sun card in the reverse, you guys are holding yourself back. Okay, I feel you guys are not giving them attention rather than they not giving you attention. Okay, it's like you are so tired and so exhausted being a part of this connection, of this same dramatic, maddening, chaotic connection, that you are holding yourself back. You feel like it's draining and it's not making you happy. So I believe Libras are going to be holding back rather than being very attentive and being very, giving attention to their person. No, I don't see that happening. If you're a crossover watcher, then I believe on some which level, Libra will hold back. Okay. So one card for your soulmate's energy towards you. One card for Libra soulmate's energy towards Libra now. What Libra soulmate's energy going to be like towards Libra? What Libra soulmate's energy going to be like towards Libra? Libra soulmates true energy going to be like towards Libra for the next few days, but if you may know. With King of Swords, I see this person coming off very detached. They will be communicative, however they'll be very detached, so they are going to communicate, but to a point. Like, if you guys communicate, they're going to ask you something, you reply, then they ask you something again, then you reply, and it's going to be to that pace, like not much. Okay, top card we have here is Four of Wands. So they are basically trying to put on a mask. Okay, like they are pretending to not care when they do. Okay, and I'm honestly tired of your person now. Like, they've been doing this till I do not know how many fucking months, but this has been going on, and you have been holding yourself back. You're finally seeing them for what they've been doing, and you're finally holding yourself back. You're not wanting to give in their drama anymore. Okay, so one card for how are they possible to come forward towards you now. How are they possibly going to come forward towards Libra for the next few days? What can Libras possibly expect? How are they possibly going to come forward towards Libra for the next few days, Spirit? Sometimes this person might be very harsh with their words. in terms of their communication. Being a Libra, you do not like such people. You like sweet, balanced people. Yeah, with Knight of Wands, I see them approaching you in a very sexual manner. So, at the start, this person might not be very communicative. So, for the next 3 days, for today or tomorrow, you could not expect much, or you should not expect much. Okay, I still see them being in King of Swords energy. Yes, communicating, but not communication you'd like. But after that, I do see them approaching you in a very sexual way. So they might try to flirt, or they might try to post something that gets your attention. It totally depends on you whether you are wanting to give them attention or not. But I do see them approaching you, but they are going to take their time. That's not going to happen within a day. Okay. Yeah, with the Lovers card, it's a very strong sexual attraction that they feel towards you. So one card for their intentions towards you now. One card for their true intentions towards Libra moving forward. What can Libras possibly expect from their person now? One card for their true intentions in terms of what do they truly want from Libra now. One card for their intentions towards Libra moving forward. The Lovers card. Okay, in terms of intentions, they want to continue this connection. They want to continue the phase that you guys have. This sexual, flirtatious vibe that you share. Okay. Top card we have here is Eight of Pentacles. So I do see them like putting in effort in order to get your attention. It might not happen tomorrow, but the next few days you could expect this. Okay, they are wanting to be more sexual towards you. They are wanting to be more flirtatious towards you. They want you to choose you. They want you to choose them. Sorry, they want you to choose them basically. Okay, how do they think of you now? One card for how do they think of you. One card for how do they truly think of Libra. How do they truly think of Libra? One card. How do they truly think of Libra now? For some of you, this person might be a Gemini. If not, I see a fire sign. Okay. With Knight of Swords, they will approach you. Okay, they feel like you're upset with them for some reason, and you are conflicted, or you kind of got upset after the last conversation you guys had. Okay, if you had no conversation or no communication, that's not my problem. But if you guys have had, then they feel like you're upset over the last conversation you guys have had, and that's the reason why you are holding back. Okay, so in terms of how they are thinking, I see them wanting to approach you, wanting to charge back towards you in a very fast manner. So some of you can expect action very much for the next 24 hours. Okay, I see that happening. Okay, so one card for what action are they wanting to take towards you now. What action are they possibly wanting to take towards you now. What action are they possibly wanting to take towards Libra in terms of actions. Between one card for what action are possibly want to take towards Libra moving forward. Take towards Libra moving forward. So they are basically wanting to bring balance. Okay, with the Moon card in the past, I see them holding back, but now I see them willingly coming forward. Okay, with the Fool card here, and with Six of Pentacles, they are basically intending to put in effort and to find balance in this connection. So for the next few days, you can expect a lot more communication. Okay, a lot more like. You'd know, you'd basically feel the change in energy. Like this person is willingly wanting to make a move, willingly wanting to come forward. Okay, so they'll be a lot more approachable. Okay, and lot more forthcoming. Okay, so with Four of Pentacles, overall, I see them. They were always not wanting to give much to this connection. Always protecting themselves, always protecting their heart, not wanting to commit and get fixed and all that. They wanted this connection, but they were not very giving. Okay, they always were very, very selfish to some point. This might also be the Libra doing this. This might go vice versa so take it accordingly. Okay, so one card for what can Libras possibly expect for the next few days. What can Libras possibly expect from their person for the next few days? One card for what can my dear Libras possibly expect from their person for the next few days? They are wanting to partner up, so they will put in effort. Okay, you will see this person actively putting in effort. Okay, with Five of Cups, they do have regrets in terms of what has happened in the past. Top card we have is High Priestess. So on some which level they are not very expressive, but in terms of action, I still see them putting action and wanting to be around you. So in terms of that, I see this person being around you energetically or communication wise, but in terms of expressing feelings, emotions, that is still a question mark. Okay, so that is still something that they are not completely sure of opening up. Okay, and you'll have to deal with that. This person is that weird crazy. Okay, with Seven of Swords, this person has been stalking you in the past and has always been stalking you, stalking you for the past few days. They feel like you are wanting to get single from them, or you are basically not interested in them anymore. So yeah, that's something that's still very much bothering them. Okay, so one card for their honest feelings towards you. One card for their honest feelings towards you now. How do they truly feel for you? How do they truly feel for Libra moving forward? One card for their honest feelings towards Libra spirit. One card for their honest, true feelings for Libra. How do they truly feel for Libra moving forward? How do they truly feel for Libra? On some which level, I see this person wanting to be around you, wanting to offer you something. Okay, but if you ask me about commitment, that is still a question mark, darling. Top card is Nine of Pentacles. So please be careful. If you're wanting this person, I still see a lack of commitment from their side. Okay, yes, they want you, yes, they want to continue what they have with you, but commitment is still a big question mark, and you need to be careful about that. Okay, so one card for how do they truly feel for you, like what do they have, like what do they truly have for you in terms of feelings, passion, what do they truly have for you? One card for what do they truly have for you. They love you energy, like don't get me wrong, it's just that they are not wanting to commit as of now. Okay, in terms of what do they truly have for you right now energetically, can you one card, what do they truly have for Libra? Okay, with Queen of Wands here, this person is extremely passionate about you. They have a lot of attraction towards you. Okay, with Eight of Wands, I feel this person wants to get physical with you, man. I mean, like, that's very much something I see. Okay, so strong sexual chemistry, a lot of vibing here, like energetically, you guys do fit together. It's just that this person needs to sort their messed up mind. Okay, I still see them liking you, wanting to continue this with you, but commitment is still something that they want to hold back. Okay, I'll be very honest with you here. So where is this connection possibly moving forward, if you may know, spirit? Where is this connection possibly moving forward for the next few days? Where is this connection possibly moving forward for Libra and their soulmate? Where is this connection possibly moving forward for Libra and their soulmate? For some of you, you will definitely get communication. As of now, I see Page of Swords. So major stalking game going on. Okay, you might also be stalking them for some of you. Whereas your energy, I see you being completely focused on yourself to a very selfish point, which is completely okay and normal. Okay, with the World card, some of you guys will get closure. Okay, so there might be some communication which leads to closure. In a good way, bad way, doesn't matter, but you guys, for some of you, will get closure. Okay, this person will tell you something that kinds of gets you like knowing where you stand in this connection. Okay, so what do they truly want from you now? What do they truly want from you? What do they truly want from Libra? What do they truly want from Libra? One card. What do they truly want from Libra, please? What do they truly want from Libra? With Queen of Pentacles, they want to continue the connection that they share with you. They want to nurture the situation. They want to heal the situation. They want to look after you. Okay. With Queen of Swords, as of now, they want to communicate. And as of now, they want you to also nurture them, look after them, take care of them. Basically, consider them your person. Okay. So, yes. Okay, with the Star card, right now they want balance and healing. Okay, and overall as well, I feel this connection needs balance and healing. Okay, about the commitment part, you could sort that out in few months, but as of now, my card of advice would be focus on communication, healing, and balancing the damn connection. Okay, you guys have definitely had some differences. You guys are very conflicted based on your person's energy. We have 5 of Wands for your energy. So let's take a secret message from your person. My readings will be a little slow now. I'll focus very much on shuffling my cards. I want to be very very direct about this. Okay, so I might take some time. Okay, so readings might be a little longer, so you'll have to deal with that, darling. But I need to be completely sure that what I give you is the right energy. Okay, so one card for secret message from your person now. Secret messages from Libra, soulmate to Libra. Secret messages from Libra, soulmate to Libra. I am so lost in you. Okay. Second card is you get me all hot, just like I told you. Okay. This person is very, very attracted towards you. You get me all hot, and I am so lost in you. These are your 2 messages from your person. Okay. So yes, this was your reading for sign of Libra. Please do consider hitting the like button. I know you guys do care for me like the way I care for you, but sometimes your like really helps me grow as a channel. All those who are wanting a personal reading, please do visit my website and you can book one. I'm open for personal readings. All those who are on Instagram, please do come and follow me on Libra Vibes Only. And there's another channel that I've started, Divine Soul Guidance, which I post a lot of spiritual stuff. So please do come and check out. If you like it, then you can follow. Okay, so thanks for coming in and happy weekend, and see you soon, guys. Love you all. Cheers.